Welcome back to the channel. Motherfucking Tuesday morning. It's raining ass Tuesday morning. Fucking rain. Still fucking rain. You know, one thing I hope this rain does, I hope it goes to New York with my boy Scary Falcon. You know, he be up yesterday talking about how y'all get rain. Then he sent me a picture of his tours all nice and clean and sunny and shit. Talking about they finna be in the 90s for the next couple of days. Alright, bro. I'm finna send some rain to cool y'all ass off. You know? Cause this rain is... Man, motherfuckers better stop talking about it's a drought. When it rain stop and we go like a week or two without rain, they better not be talking about it. It's a motherfucking drought. They done got a fucking storm yesterday, fucking raining today, rained overnight yesterday, a storm yesterday afternoon, rained like a motherfucking Saturday. Yeah, motherfuckers been getting plenty of rain, so they better not be talking about it's a motherfucking drought. You know, it ain't no motherfucking drought. It ain't even raining like that no more. To be honest, it's not raining hard. You know, it just looks worse on the highway because what we moving 50, 60 miles an hour car. You got multiple cars picking up that water. The rest is going downtown. You know, they ass bumper to bumper, so they ain't really kicking up shit. So it probably ain't raining over that water. You know, it's probably drizzling, but it don't look bad like it does over here. Like, you get on this motherfucker, you be like, damn, it's raining bad as fuck. It's really not raining. It's just because the cars kicking up the water on the highway. You know what? Yeah, let me go ahead and get off. I'm glad I moved over to see all them damn brake lights. Yeah, let me go ahead and jump off. Ain't finna sit over there. Yeah, hit brakes like a motherfucker. I ain't finna sit over there. No, no sir, not me, no. I ain't for that shit. I ain't finna have that shit this morning. Yeah, so something I was about to say. I see it's been a shooting down there. Twitter got the street blocked off. But I'd rather burn my gas rolling instead of sitting. God damn, that's some good dope. Got your ass slump. At like 7 in the morning, your ass itching. Ain't shit even wrong with your ass. You off that good dope. This motherfucker fighting ants. Huh. You off that good dope. Damn. I'm so glad I had dope things in my family growing up while I was a kid that showed me that I don't never want to do that shit. Damn. Y'all ass, it's a gang of y'all ass slump. Well, this is OD area. This is the area with the high ODs. Well, it's one of the areas. anyways, I'm just gonna end this video here. Like, comment, subscribe.